previous class we studied the integration of only one functions, that is cos x dx, sin x dx. Now today I will take examples based on x square into sin x dx. Means how many number of functions exist here? Two functions of single variable x. Okay, if two functions are exist, how to solve the integration? That one we have to calculate by using which method? Integration by parts method. First I will tell you the theory part of integration by parts method. Later I will take example. Consider two functions. Let us consider two functions u and v of a single variable x. Okay, then we know that according to differentiation d by dx of u into v, already we know that in differentiation, change to differentiation of u into v is u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. This is the differentiation. Now here we have to calculate integration. Therefore apply both the side integration. Integration of d by dx of u into v with respect to x, and integration of u into dv by dx with respect to x, plus integration of v into du by dx with respect to x. Okay, and we know that integration is inverse process of differentiation. Therefore differentiation integration get cancelled. We get only u into v. This integration of u into dv by dx into dx plus integration of v into du by dx into dx. Next, consider let us consider the function is in the form of integration of u into dv by dx with respect to x. This one side is equal to uv as it is, u into v, take plus v into du by dx is set, we will get minus integration of v into du by dx with respect to x. This is integration of u into dv by dx. Means what we have done here, this one we are writing as it is, there is no changes, and uv is there as it is. This plus v into dv by dx, take this side, we get what it is minus. That one we have written. Next, consider u, the function u. What we are taking? F of x. Consider what we have done. U is f of x. Actually, du by dx. Du by dx is nothing but differentiation. F fraction x exists. Okay. Next, consider dv by dx. Consider this dv by dx is g of x. Consider dv by dx is g of x. Now we will take integration here. Integration of d by dx of v with respect to x and integration of g of x. Integration differentiation get cancelled. We get this v is equal to integration of g of x with respect to x. Next, call this is equation 1. This is equation 1. Okay. See what we consider. U represent f of x. V represent integration of g of x. V represent integration of g of x. Therefore, apply substitute d values in this equation. Integration of f of x, u is f of x, d by dx is g of x. F of x into g of x with respect to x is u. What is your u? F of x v. Integration of g of x minus integration of v. What it is? Integration of g of x. Next, du by dx. Du by dx is what? F dash of x. F dash of x with respect to x. f dash of x with respect to x. This is the rule of integration by parts. What is the rule? Integration of f of x into g of x with respect to x is f of x integration of g of x, okay, with respect to x minus integration of integration g of x, f dash of x can be written as d by dx of f of x with respect to x. This is the rule of integration by parts method. How many number of functions we consider here? We consider two functions. We know that in differentiation product, if two functions are exist, we are using chain rule differentiation. If two functions are exist in integration, the integration by parts method formula is what? f of x integration g of x minus integration of integration g of x differentiation of f of x with respect to x. This is the theory part of integration by part. Okay. Next, I will take examples and remember that integration by parts method. There is a one question is fixed, compulsory asked in the exam. Integration by parts method, either indefinite or definite. Any one question fixed asked in the exam. Integration by parts method. Okay, 3 marks question. Fixed it is. Okay. One example I will take. Integration of x into sin x dx. See, how many number of functions are exist? 2 functions. Correct. Solution. Hello students. The integration by parts method examples compulsory as per exam or 2 marks question. First question is integration of x sin x dx. Here, this is function of how many number of functions exist here? 2 functions are exist. We have done the examples based on single functions. Now here product of 2 functions. Already we calculated in differentiation product of 2 functions is we are using the chain rule. Now we are taking the formula. Which formula? That is integration by parts method. And here we have to take which one is f of x and g of x. Better you take the simplified answer as f of x. Simplified answer as f of x. Suppose if I take f of x is x, its differentiation is what? 1. So that you can get easily the answer. Okay. Therefore, we consider that f of x is x, g of x is sin x. Apply the formula. Integration of f of x, g of x. Formula is f of x integration of g of x minus integration of integration g of x d by dx of f of x with respect to x. Therefore, the formula is what? Integration of x sin x is. The formula is integration of x sin x is x integration of sin x minus integration of integration sin x d by dx of x with respect to x. X as it is integration of sin x is minus cos x minus as it is integration of sin x is minus cos x. Differentiation of x is 1. Minus into minus become plus. Therefore, we can write minus x cos x plus integration of cos x. Integration of cos x is sin x. This is how we can solve the example by using integration by parts method. Instead of sin x, I will take another example. Integration of cos x into cos 3x dx. This is the example. Okay. Here we consider f of x is x, g of x is what here? Cos 3x. And formula is as it is similar. What? F of x into g of x. Formula is f of x integration of g of x minus integration of integration g of x differentiation of f of x. This formula you have to remember. Okay, if you know the formula, then only we can apply the example. Therefore, integration of x cos 3x dx is x as it is integration of cos 3x with respect to x minus integration of integration cos 3x d by dx of x with respect to x. x as it is, integration of cos 3x, how to write? Sin 3x by 3. Already we know that, the integration method. Minus integration of sin 3x by 3, difference of x is 1 dx. Whatever the x which is multiplied by constant, that constant always we are taking in the denominator in integration. Okay, already we studied this one. X sin 3x divided by 3 minus take 1 by 3 outside, do the integration of sin 3x with respect to x, and we'll get it is in the form of x sin 3x by 3 minus 1 by 3 integration of sin 3x. What is the formula? Minus cos 3x, minus cos 3x by 3 plus, or rewrite this one as what? X sin 3x divided by 3 minus and minus become plus 1 by 9 cos 3x plus c is the answer. Okay, next example. Next example is integration of x square e to the power x dx. Solution, we have to apply. Let what? F of x is x square and g of x is e to the power x. Okay, what is the formula? Product of two function f of x, g of x with respect to x is f of x integration of g of x minus integration of integration g of x d by dx of f of x with respect to x. This is the formula we have to apply. Then it is integration of x square e to the power x dx is x square integration of e to the power x minus integration of integration e to the power x d by dx of x square with respect to x. Then we get it is x square integration of e to the power x is e to the power x minus e to the power x square difference is 2x. Okay, x square e to the power x minus 2 is x e to the power x dx. See, here again we will get a product of two functions. That again we will get a product of how many number of functions? Two functions. Okay, means again we have to apply integration by parts method. All this is equation 1. Okay, and we will say that this is Roman letter 1. In Roman letter 1, consider f of x is x, e to the power x is g of x. Again the same formula we have to apply. Correct? Again the same formula we have to apply. This one is as it is. I am writing as it is. X square e to the power x minus 2. And the same formula we are applying. What is the formula? F of x. What is your f of x? X. Integration of e to the power g of x is e to the power x. E to the power x minus integration of integration e to the power x d by dx of x with respect to x. Unless and until the last value, this last value will get single variable, then you have to do the simplification. Unless and until you will get single variable, up to that form you have to do the which form? Integration by parts. X square e to the power x minus 2 x as it is, integration of e to the power x is e to the power x minus integration of e to the power x is e to the power x, difference of x is 1 dx. Means we get this x square e to the power x minus 2 x e to the power x. See, e to the power x into 1 is e to the power x. Again its integration is e to the power x. E to the power x plus, or else it is x square e to the power x minus 2x e to the power x minus into minus become plus 2 e to the power x plus. This is how we can apply if x square is mentioned. Similarly, if it is mentioned x cube, how many times we are doing integration by parts? 3 times. X to the power 4 times. Okay. This is how we can apply the formula. Next one I will take integration of log x. Integration of log x dx. See, we know the differentiation of log x. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x, but we don't have the integration of log x. That one we have to calculate by using integration by parts method. Solution. Integration of log x can be written as 1 into log x. 1 into log x means what it is? Log x only. Correct? Let what is consideration? F of x is 1. Sorry, f of x is log x. Because we don't have the integration, we can't take log x as g of x. G of x is 1. Okay, again apply the formula, that is integration of f of x, g of x with respect to x. Formula is f of x, integration of g of x minus integration of integration g of x d by dx of f of x with respect to x. The formula is log x with respect to x is f of x is what here? Log x. Log x integration of 1 dx minus integration of 1 d by dx of log x with respect to next log x as it is. Integration of 1 is x minus x. Log x is 1 by x with respect to x. X get cancelled. Left it is x log x minus integration of 1 is x plus x. In this way we can do the example of integration of x log x with respect to x. Okay.